Hello, I am Irune, and I am going to show you some of my most favorite photos. My family. My dad, he has got blue eyes, and he is very funny. My mom, she has got brown eyes, and she is very intelligent. My brother, my brother is funny and little bit naughty. My best friend is Usue. She has got brown hair and brown eyes. She has medium height and she is very funny. In this photo, she is celebrating her first communion. I have got more friends, but I don't have more friends. This is all. Thank you for your attention. I hope you like my presentation. Goodbye.